I have seen all kinds of smoked fish, but not once have I come across smoked kote in all of my years of being in this Lagos city. Well, I thought to help myself, given that it's been a long time since I enjoyed this deliciousness. So I got 2 kilos for 5,200 naira, cleaned and seasoned with only salt. Armed with an outdoor grill and 200 naira charcoal, I got to work. By the way, kote belongs in the family of mackerel and it's called horse mackerel in English. Very nice fish, but even here on Instagram, I rarely see it being used and I sometimes wonder why. It's relatively cheap too. I mean, you know the language Titus is currently speaking. I tried to raise the mesh a little with some broken tiles so it cooks slowly and thoroughly. That will also help to prevent the fish from breaking, which can be caused by excess heat. I had boiled some chicken the night before, and since there's still a lot of space there, I'll just roast both at the same time. I left the fish to attend to the boys, and that's why they're slightly burnt on that side, but it's nothing a little scraping can't fix. I made them a little dry and very firm, and now they are ready. In my next post, I'll show you one of the ways I use this fish. Thank you for watching, follow for more, and have a great day.